Hi, it's Fiestaro. Hello, Sagittarius placements. Okay, so, yeah. Mm, okay. Emosyon and next action ni person mo ngayong July. Okay. Check natin ano bang meron. Again, kung may tanong po, mag-message. Private message po, ha? And, yeah. Private reading charms natin available. Opo. Okay. So, mag-message na lang po. So, let's see. Anong situation nyo? Situation nyo ni person. Okay. King of Wands. So, there's a lot of passion. Ano pa? Anong meron dyan? King of Pentacles in the reverse. Okay, some of you, pwedeng same gender kayo. Okay? Same gender. Haha. Somebody here is being practical. Walang emosyon ako nakikita dito sa connection nyo. Okay? Yeah, see? The Ace of Cups, nakabaliktad. No emotions na naibibigay. Parang money base, benefits, dito sa same gender connection, practicality, self-centered, puro akin, 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 puro pakabig. Okay? So, na talaga ang emosyon nito for you? Meron ba? Meron nga ba? Five of Wands in reversed. Ten of Swords in reversed. Puro trauma to. Puro trauma na po ang naibibigay sa inyo. Okay? Puro paasa. No, hindi siya wands. It's Five of Swords in reverse. And Ten of Swords in reverse. Parang paulit-ulit. Paulit-ulit. Yeah. Two of Pentacles, Justice in reversed. So, yung energy is like hindi balanse. A lot of delays. A lot of pagpapaasa. Tabingi. Opo. Tabingi ang connection nyo. Isa lang ang nagbibigay, isa ang kumukuha. Hindi po ito masasabing there's equal give and take. Wala. This is a one-sided connection. One-sided. Isa lang ang nagpapaubaya, isa lang ang nagbibigay, isa lang ang nagmamahal. Yung isa naman is gumagamit o nagpapagamit. Sabihin natin ginagamit or nanggagamit. Okay? So, next action. Seven of Swords in reversed. Daman nyo na rin to. Actually, daman nyo na rin. Alam nyo na rin. Ramdam nyo na rin. Matalino kayo. Okay? Puro swords, oh. Nagana yung isip nyo. Actually, nagana. Puro swords na to. Okay? So, for me, yung nababasahan ko dito is somebody na pwedeng nag-iisip na. Okay? This is the Nine of Swords in reversed. Nag-iisip na alisin ko na kaya to, kalasan ko na kaya. Queen of Pentacles. Ako naman, parang ganon. Ako naman, ibigay ko na lang yung mga ibinigay ko sa kanya sa akin. Bawiin ko na lang lahat. Yung love, yung effort, ibigay ko na lang sa akin. Parang ganon. You see? The Empress. Dumating ka na sa limitations. Dumating ka na sa sabihin nating sukdulan o parang ganyan. Okay? So, good thing na nagising ka na. Okay? Good thing nagising ka na. Kasi hindi na emosyon yung nakikita ko dito eh. Hindi na. Kundi isip na. Oo, hindi ka na like nagdadalawang isip about alisin ko na to, makipag-break na ako dito. So for me, parang hinihintay mo lang to as a sign. Yun na lang siguro yun. Like, sana makakita ko ng reading na ganito yung gusto, ganito yung sinasabi, susundin ko na yun. So maybe, this will help. Okay? Next. Sagittarius. Surprise. Parang may surprise. I don't know kung ano yun. Emotion. Ay, no, emotion. Situation. 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 Knight of Wands. And then what? The Six of Cups in reversed. Traumatizing. Merong Eight of Swords dito sa ilalim. Justice in reversed. Some of you, andun yung meron kayong natunghayan or nalaman or nabunyag dito sa taong to or sa connection. It's not going anywhere. Walang goals, walang motivation, walang direction. Nagkokos lang ng trauma, nagkokos lang ng issue itong connection nyo na to. It's not healthy. Okay? Para lang sila nakikipaglaro. So, anong emosyon talaga? Deep down? Meron ba? Two of Swords. You're indecisive. Yeah. So, talagang mahihirapan ka, no, na makakita ng kalinawan sa taong indecisive. Nagdadalawang isip. Unsure. Page of Cups. Yeah, malabo. Ace of Pentacles in the reversed. Malabo. Sabihin natin itong taong to husto sa salita. Puro salita. Okay, puro salita. Pero pagdating sa action, medyo malabo. Medyo malabo. Or sabihin natin talagang malabo. So, hindi po nagtutugma yung sinasabi sa action. Mahirap. Kaya, yeah. Traumatized na yung iba sa inyo. Their next action this July. Let's see. Let's check. Some of them, they are younger. Parang mas bata sa'yo. Knight of Cups in reversed. So, cold, hot, cold, hot, cold, hot, cold. The Lovers in reverse. Yeah. So, next action is hindi maging available sa'yo. Maging hot and cold yung treatment sa'yo nitong taong to. So, mabibigyan ka ba ng clarity sa ganun? I don't think so. Mas magbibigyan ka ng confusion itong taong to sa mga susunod na araw. Okay? Some of them, they are entertaining other connections. They are. Basta magbigay sa kanila ng attention, goods yun. Yeah, waste of time. This is a waste of time. Hindi pa ready to or hindi pa niya kaya magseryoso. Nakikipaglaro lang to, Sag. This could be you. This could be you. Some of you want freedom. Ayaw mo nang ikaw ay hahawakan sa leeg, kokontrolin. Naghahanap itong taong to ng kasiguraduhan sa'yo pero hindi mo mabigay. So again, kunin mo lang kung para sa'yo yun. Kaya hindi ko sasantabi yun. Hindi porke reading mo to, ikaw lang ang bida. Ikaw lang yung dapat. Ikaw lang yung tama. No. Pag may nakita akong mali, pinabanggit ko rin. Okay? Let's see. All signs. Aries, they have regrets. Taurus, they're walking away. Distancing. Gemini, burdens, feeling the burdens, lalo na kung magkahiwalay kayo, mahirap yung sitwasyon niya. Cancer, they miss you. Leo, there's this energy of friend zone, energy of third party involved. Virgo, wanting na magkaroon na po ng endings pagdating sa cycle. Okay? Libra, they want to commit. They want a stable connection, relationship. Scorpio, they are obsessed. They are obsessed. They miss you. They want to see you. They want to talk. Sagittarius, hindi na niya malaman kung anong ang kailangan hanapin. Mayroon siyang mga gustong makita, nabigyang linaw. May paghahanap sa kanya pero hindi na niya alam kung dapat ba or what. Naguguluhan na si Sag. Capricorn, you'll hear from them soon. Okay, you'll hear from them soon. Aquarius, parang na-reject or there's an energy of rejection with an aqua. Pisces, I'm hearing mixed emotions, mixed signals. They're conflicted. Energy of parang magulo yung isipan niya sa ngayon. Something like that. Some of them gagawa sila ng action na parang kukuhanin niya yung attention mo. Okay, so there. Yun ang aking reading for you, Sagittarius placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page and isa po nating YouTube channel nasa description box below. Again, yeah, thank you. Goodbye.